everybody. Today's Super Solver is on square roots. The question is find square root of 0.062 using some fast computing trick. Okay, trust me, the solution of this question is going to be very interesting. My name is Nitin Chauhan and I am math tutor and mentor at iMinds Academy, and our objective is to make math interesting. So come on, let's get started. So the question is, we have to find out square root of 0.062. Okay. So the first step is to write this decimal number in a fraction form. So let me write this decimal number in the fraction form. Okay. There are three decimal places. So I will write it as 0.62 or 0.62 divided by 1000 because there are three decimal places. Okay, so now it's converted into a fraction form. So this is nothing but 62 upon 1000, right? Okay, now the denominator has got actually three zeros. Okay, so we need to convert the denominator in such a way that one is followed by even number of zeros. So what we will do, we will multiply the numerator by 10 and denominator by 10, and therefore we get 620 upon 10,000. Okay, now this can be written as square root of 620 upon square root of 10,000. So this is equal to square root of 620 is as it is. We need to find the value, and square root of 10,000 is 100. So we will leave it here. Now we will derive the value of square root of 620, that is the numerator. So now, okay. So what do we do? You need to go to the closest square number to 620. So which is the closest number? The number which comes to mind immediately is like 25 into 25 is 625. So that's the closest square number to 620. Just to check, 24 into 24 is how much? 576. So it is quite far away from 620. And 26 into 26 is 676, which is also quite far away from 620. So the closest square number to 620 is 625, and this 25 we will take and we will divide now the 620 by that 25. Okay, so let's do the division. 620 divided by 25. 25 twos are 50. We get 1 2 and then 0 will come down. 4s are 100. 20 comes down. Now a decimal point, we'll give 1 0 here, and 25 goes 8 times, so 200. You get answer as 24.8. Okay, so 620 by 25 has given me 24.8. Now next step is you will add this 24.8 to the denominator, the 25 that you had taken, same number you will add to this 24.8. So if I add it, what do I get? I get 49.8. All right, now the next step is to divide this 49.8 by 2. So let's do the division. So when you do a decimal division, first ignore the decimal point and do the regular division. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, then 9 4 times, 1 8 9 times, and you get 18. So now you will write 249. The quotient is 249. I will write here as it is. And since the decimal numerator had one decimal place, so we will give the same decimal place to the quotient. That is this answer. That is, so now we get 49.8 by 2 as 24.9. Now this, we will go back to our earlier place where we had left the solution, root of 620 by 100. Now what we will do, we will divide this 24.9 by 100. and therefore we will get 0.249. So therefore the answer for this square root of 0.62 is 0.249. There is an interesting observation. So what does it mean? Since 0.249 is the square root of 0.062, so if you multiply 0.02 sorry 249 twice into 0.249 twice, you get 0.062. So what you observe is, when you are multiplying a, a bigger decimal value by a bigger decimal value, you are getting a lower decimal value. So this is something interesting, right? So this brings me to the end of the solution. If you have liked the question and its solution and its explanation, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and also give your like, support us, and bye till I come back with a fresh and new and exciting super solver. Take care. Bye bye.